Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to boost a post on Instagram to reach a wider audience. You just have to follow these few simple steps. The first step is to switch to a professional account. And if you're not already using a professional account, go to settings by clicking on your profile icon and then clicking on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. After that, go to creator tools and controls and go to switch account type. And you can either choose creator or business and set it up. Let's select business and switch. Now our account is switched, account type is switched. Now let's select the post we want to boost. I'm gonna select this post right here. After that, tap boost post below the image right here. Let's see. Let's add a picture. We already added one. There's a bug, obviously. Yes, this one. The message says this real video can't be boosted because it uses copyright music. So in order to boost post, you can't use music that has copyrights in it. So you choose a music that doesn't have any copyrights. Now after you do that, you have to set your goal and audience. Choose your objective. You can either choose profile visits, website traffic or messages, and define your target audience by selecting automatic or creating a custom audience based on age and location and interest. After that, set the budget and duration and choose how much you want to spend and how long you want the promotion to run. After that, review your promotion to ensure everything looks good. And finally, publish the boost and enter your payment details and confirm it. For additional tips, use high quality images and compelling captions to attract engagement and monitor the post's performance in the insights section. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.